Hey everybody, my name's Dave with Backyard BBQ Smokehouse. I love smoking all kinds of meat. One of my favorites by far is baby back ribs. We're gonna smoke these. It'll take a little over 5 hours to smoke. I'll go through the whole process for you. Let's get it started. Now the first thing we're gonna do with our ribs, we gotta get the membrane off the back. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the butter knife, make a little hole, put your finger in, wiggle it all the way through, hold down with one hand and pull with the other, and the membrane's gone. Now that we've got the membrane off, time to put the rub on. You can use any rub you want. There's so many great rubs out there. What I like to find is a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat to go with your ribs. I don't use any binder. It sticks nicely to the ribs. Generously pour it over the whole rib. Now the rub's on, and I've let it sit for about 10-15 minutes so that it soaks into the rub. You can see it's already soaking in there. These already smell amazing. Smoker's at a nice consistent 225. Time to throw these ribs on the smoker. They'll get 45 minutes before their first spritz. These look beautiful. The rub's already soaking in. While these are cooking, I'll make the barbecue sauce. Okay, so I've got everything out to make the barbecue sauce, but we're coming up on our first 45 minutes for the ribs where I'm going to do my spritz. After that, it'll be every 30 minutes. It's a 50-50 equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Let's do the spritz. Just give it a nice thorough spritz and close it down and let it cook. All right, so the ribs are coming along beautifully. Gonna make this barbecue sauce. This is my spicy barbecue sauce. We use about a little over a quarter cup of hot sauce. We're gonna add mustard, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, some fresh ground pepper, kosher salt, cayenne pepper, some paprika, some oregano, and then the hot sauce. Giving some nice little spice to the ribs. Gonna mix this all up, and we're gonna heat it up to a boil and then simmer it for 7 minutes right away after it boils. And this is good served warm or cold after you put it in your fridge. Finally, time for the wrap. Oh, these are looking beautiful. I've already cut up the butter. We're gonna put butter, brown sugar, and honey down, and then flip it over on top and lay it in. One last spritz with the 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water. Lay down a nice healthy portion of brown sugar. Always a ridiculous amount of honey, never hurts. These ribs smell amazing already. Now I'm just gonna roll these over right down into this. Give it a little pat down, and then I'm gonna fold it up. And I fold this one over too. I wanna keep all those juices in, and I'm gonna lay it where it's top down. And that's just gonna finish cooking right into that butter, honey, and sugar. Back on for this one. We'll wrap the next one. Ribs are getting close to done. I'm excited to eat, but I'm gonna do the toothpick test real quick to make sure that they're okay. Open the ribs. You don't want to poke all the juices out on the bottom, so go up high. You want to get between the ribs, and you slide it in and out. If you feel a little pull, you want to cook them a little longer. This one's still in a little pull, so I'm going to give it about 15 more minutes and try it again. Well, we gave it the toothpick test again, and these are done. Time to unwrap these beauties. The juices are going to spill everywhere. Look at those ribs. Oh, the color on these are just amazing. So I'm going to take these out, cut them up. Oh, so good. Look at the, oh my, the sweetness of the honey and the brown sugar on the wrap and the rub. So good. You would not think you're eating a rib without barbecue sauce. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what you want to see grilled or smoked next. Be happy to do it. And remember, spread love through barbecue.